Hi, Tim West here with Green Mountain IT Solutions. Here is a quick video on how to record your screen or record a program in Windows 10. So I need to start by pressing the Windows key, looks like this on the bottom left of your keyboard, the Windows key and the letter G as in golf simultaneously. So Windows key G. Now here's my gaming menu, they call it. I'm going to press the record button right here. So now I am recording. We see the status up here. Get back to what I'm doing, mess around a little bit, and go ahead and record whatever you want to record. Once you're through recording, click the stop button. Now we need to get back into the gaming section. So again, I'm going to press Windows key G. Okay. And we need to say show all captures. Here is my most recent capture. Here's the file. This is what I was doing on the screen. So, if you want to send this file, click on Open File Location. That's going to show you the actual video file. You can see here, it's in my videos folder under the captures folder. I can take this video and send it. Could be that I've requested that you send this to me in an email. Alright, that's all for now. Again, this is Tim with Green Mountain IT Solutions in Burlington, Vermont. Thanks for watching.